Children, now we will start our next topic, that is Bar Council of India. We have completed our Advocate Act 1961. Now Bar Council of India, this is also an important topic. So BCI. Okay. What is the role of the BCI? Firstly tell me that after doing the LLB degree or your degree or that 3-year course will be there, what was the subject of the LLB, all will be decided by the BCI. यही decide करते हैं ना. Bar Council of India was established by Parliament. Who established this BCI? By Parliament. Under which Act it is given? Under Advocate Act 1961. It performs a regulatory function by prescribing the standard of professional conduct and etiquette, means a set a rule for a law, है ना. वही मैंने बताया आपको, जो 3 years डिग्री होगी, ये सब कौन डिसाइड करता है? BCI. By exercising the disciplinary jurisdiction over the bar, it also set the standard for legal education, and means आपकी 11th-12th में legal education है ना, law will be started from 11th onwards. So this was also decided by the BCI. Grants recognition of किस यूनिवर्सिटी से आप LLB कर सकते हो, that will be set up by the BCI only. University whose degree in law will be serve as qualification for enrollment as an advocate, and you have to enroll when your LLB exam will be completed out, then you have to enroll yourself as an advocate. That enrollment is also decided by the BCI. Okay. Nextly, in addition, it performs certain representative functions by protecting the rights, privileges, interests of advocate, and through the creation of funds for providing financial assistance to organize welfare programs, means they can organize a welfare programs, functions, or what was the qualification of advocate, create a fund for the advocates. This all will be done by the BCI. Election hote hain, so that will be done by the BCI. The regulatory representative mandated that the BC for the legal profession and legal education in India reflected by its statutory function, means what are the various function of BCI. This question will be of your 5 marks. That is, what are the various function of BCI. So these are the following function which is performed by the Bar Council of India. First one is lay down the standard for professional conduct, that I already told you. What was the criteria for become an advocate? This was decided by BCI. Second, lay down the procedure to be followed by disciplinary committee, procedure how you will conduct that examination, to safeguard the right, privileges, interest of the advocate, to promote and support law reform. If any law changes will be there, it will support them, to deals with or dispose of any matter which is referred to by the State Bar Council. It deals that matter and solve that matter, to promote legal education and lay down the standard for legal education. This is done by the consultation of this university imparting legal education and the State Bar Council. To recognize universities whose degree in law shall be qualification for enrollment as an advocate. The BCI visits, inspects universities, directs the State Bar Council to visit and inspect universities for this purpose. Okay, so they can inspect in the university and recognize that how the enrollment is done in through the BCI to become an advocate. Conduct many seminars, talks about the law topics, papers, journals, for legal education. They will be done and do that type of function also. Nextly, conduct to organize legal aid programs for the poor person, to recognize on the reciprocal promise basis that foreign qualification in law obtained degree outside from India, means outside से आपने India से law की degree ली और how you can enroll yourself in India, that will be decided by BCI. To manage and invest the fund for BC council, है ना, council के लिए fund recognize करना, and to provide the elections होते हैं आपके, है ना, advocates के election जो court में होते हैं, that was also decided by the Bar Council of India. So these are the various functions which is performed by the BCI. So these functions are very important for law degree, that they are having the various type of functions of BCI which are there. So go through this topic. Okay.